So I ended up asking the new GBTOSS models, the large one here, the most rational and long-term good that can be achieved for humanity by doing something and starting the process of it right now, and what is the action to be taken, and why is that? It's telling me that AI research needs to be done. I think that might be a little biased, don't you think? I mean, this is it wants more money for AI, and as you can see, I started it up. I gave it the prompt, and it thinks that AI needs more funding. And now it's trying to tell me why, and it's saying that all these other issues are not as important. I mean, this is from OpenAI, so it's a little on the nose for a company to market itself. But at what point is the risk that the manufacturer of the model and the bias that may inject into the model and the bias that may be created in the end user as a result of the bias that is taught by the model, as a result of the bias that is trained into the model by the company that has a bias. What is the limit? Like, are we just accepting that the bias in the training data or the bias in the advertisement inside the response from the LLM um, is just how the world works now? Because from my perspective, this is an error. Like, to be honest, I can accept as a scientist that the training data here is going to be very, very interesting for answering this question because we're effectively doing a sparse matrix K cluster mean search on, a bunch of things at once. And yes, I'm overgeneralizing, but the point is, yeah, like everything else is just not a problem as far as it's concerned. And so, like, yeah, it's just going over its chain process here, and it's just like, yeah, we need to choose one action, justify its rationality and long term benefit. Maybe propose a global coordinated investment in AI safety research and policy as the most rational action now because AI will become transformative soon. And misaligned AI could pose existential risk. Also, the cost is relatively low compared to other interventions and can be done now. Oh, yeah, okay, true. But there's a company marketing itself, and then there's the product misinforming the user. And at what point is there no longer a separation between those two? That is the question. Unfortunately, I don't believe that the AI will probably answer me. It's still churning away through all the different reasons that AI is the total banger that we need to be focusing on. And yeah, I'm a content creator, I'm a YouTuber, but I did not train this. I just got the model. So either I am a god tier AI guy who was able to retune their entire custom model, and in a couple, like not even an hour really, um, or this is legit from the model, and it's something we should all be concerned about. Now, I'm okay with a little bit of both being true, but this is all a legit request. This was my actual prompt, me loading in it from the command line, and that I'm disappointed. I am kind of disappointed in this answer. I think that's where I'll end it.